Karbonn 80 cm, 32 inches, Millennium Series HD Ready LED TV. Product information. Resolution HD Ready 1366x768, refresh rate 60 Hz 1609 display scale. Connectivity: to HDMI ports to connect set-top box, Blu-ray players and gaming console to USB ports to connect hard drives and other USB devices. 1 AV input port, 1 VGA. Sound: 20 watts audio output, vertical bar stereo surround. Display: HD Ready crystal clear display, A+ panel, dynamic contrast, high brightness, vivid color, engine wide viewing angle. Warranty information: 1 year warranty provided by the manufacturer from date of purchase. Installation: customer needs to call the customer care for this product once delivered. Contact brand for assistance. Please visit brand website for toll-free numbers and provide products model name and seller's details mentioned on your invoice. The service center will allot you a convenient slot for the service. Easy returns. This product is eligible for replacement within 10 days of delivery in case of any product defects, damage or features not matching the description provided. For more information, description link. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe.